Hey guys, welcome back to my 335 AI tool challenge. And today we are checking out Mem AI. And honestly, this might be one of the smartest note taking app I've seen. Because instead of organizing notes manually, AI does everything for you. So let's see how it works. So first go to your browser and search Mem AI. And now open official website. Now we can sign up with Google or Apple. And once you finish sign up, you can see this clean interface. So you can see all the notes here and created by me, share with me. Now let's create your first node. So go to create node, click on create node. Now I can type startup idea, e-commerce company for selling clothes for gym training. And now we can save it. And now let's create another one. So here I type engagement idea, connect with a fitness influencer. And now save again. Now you can let this tool to organize everything for you. So here you can see all the tools here. So unlike other note-taking AI tool, you don't have to create a separate folder. You can just throw your note anywhere you want and AI organize everything for you. Great feature it has, we can search anything inside. So I'll type all notes about startup idea and hit enter. And now you can see it found two notes regarding a startup idea. So one startup idea for fitness coaching platform and another one is for e-commerce company. You can also connect with your calendar, so MemAI will automatically take meeting notes for you. You just have to click on this button and then click on connect. So that's all for MemAI, and I'll see you tomorrow with another AI tool.